Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix GE dishwasher keep beeping. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having some problem here with your GE dishwasher and it keeps beeping, there are going to be some reasons and a few things that you try doing here to solve this issue. So first is if your dishwasher is beeping here due to a power surge. So in this case, a sudden power surge can cause the dishwasher to beep continuously. Now in this case, what you need to do is you just need to press and basically press the button or start or reset button here and wait 2 minutes to see if the beeping stops. So usually the beeping here is going to, oh sorry, the start button is going to be in here, so in your actual door here. So in this case, just press it, wait for 2 minutes, and that should stop the beeping. Now if it doesn't, you want to turn off the circuit breaker for about 30 seconds here. Now if you can access the actual plug for this one, you could basically just unplug it. But if you cannot access it, you may want to go to your circuit breaker and turn off the circuit breaker for about 30 minutes or 30 seconds or more if you can, and turn it back on and see if that actually solves your issue. Now, another thing that you may want to check here is if it's beeping every minute here, this usually means that the dishwasher door was unlatched during a cycle. So what you need to do is you just need to close the door properly and the dishwasher should resume working again. Now also, if this is beeping continuously, if none of before scenarios actually happen to you, then this case the issue itself might be with the control module. So in this case, you need to reset your control module here. So what you need to do is you want to turn on your dishwasher, press and hold the cycle. So in this case, cycle is going to be around in here. And you want to press the start button as well for about 5 seconds. So at the same time, want to press those two buttons. And when the display light stops flashing here and the control lock lights turns on, you want to press the cycle button again about like 5 seconds. And if the lights start blinking here, exit reset mode by pressing cycle and start again. So yeah. Also, the beeping issue here might be caused by a faulty control board here. So in this case, if it's your control board here, in this case, you want to pull your dishwasher out and just follow the wiring from the door latch and the control board here located on below the tub here. But just in case if you don't know how to do that, it's best to contact a technician, or you may want to contact GE customer support to get further assistance of this one and have them connect with a technician for you. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.